ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸಾರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಐ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ till 8 lessons. We have learned the words, alva, and I know by now you can identify all the letters and you can also identify the vattakshara, you can write the letters anta, alva. And illi this video we are not directly looking into the kagunita. What is kagunita? Kagunita andre eno? Kagunita is basically you will be adding the consonant. So for the consonant you will be adding the letter, the vowel, swara add madidre you will get the kagunita. Okay na? And for this, if you don't know this, please make sure to learn this from the foundation lesson. I leave the link here. Please first muksi, then you can come to the kagunita. Okay? So ivattina class alli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ? In today class we are writing the sentences actually. Sentences ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ and very simple sentence using kagunita. Okay na? So first sentence ಏನು? First sentence is, what is your name? How do you say it? My name is. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Yes. So we are going to learn that nanna, na, na. If you write like this, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Nana ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you want to write nanna, we already know nage na ಬಂತು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇ ಸಾ ರು, and you have to write your name here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? I know that you are writing your name in the book, but we will have to correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? So comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ comment your name. Okay ನಾ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. So please parents help the children. Using mobile you can comment easily. So mobile ಅಲ್ಲಿ keypad ಇದೆ. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡ keypad ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So type ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ type ಮಾಡಿ. Type your name. Okay. So this is our first sentence. Next sentence ಏನು? So next sentence you can choose anyone's name in your family. ಇದರ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಕ್ಕನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಣ್ಣನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೆಸರು, ತಾತ ಹೆಸರು, ತಂಗಿ ಹೆಸರು, ತಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು, whoever it is, whoever name you want to write, you can choose one name. Okay na? If you want to write appana, I'll give the names for everything. Okay, nanna. So first I'll go with amma. Mage mavattu, ammana, he sa ru, my mother's name. Okay, illi instead of amma, if you want to write appa, page pavattu, na, appana. Rest all is the same thing makka. Next, if you want to write elder sister, akka, kage kavattu, akkana. If you want to write elder brother name, na, nage navattu, annana. If you want to write the younger brother name, tamma, ta, ma, mage mavattu, na, tammana. Okay, next, what else? Younger sister. Younger sister is tangi. Ta, sonne, 0, gi, ya, tangiya. Okay, if you want to write grandmother's name, ಜಿಗೆ ಜಾವತ್ತು, ಯ, ಅಜ್ಜಿಯ. See, if the word ending with the e sounding, it will end with the y. Okay na? So that is how, as of now, you have to remember. It is a grammar structure again. If you want to learn more about the grammar, then please do check out the grammar playlist that is already available in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Okay, next, tata. Tatana, ta, ta, na. If you want to write your friend's name, ge, le, ya, na, gelayana. It's a boy. It's for a female. Ge, la, ti, ya, gelatiya. Okay na? I hope you have made a note. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು, ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪಗೆ ಪಾವತ್ತು, ಅಕ್ಕನ, ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಅಣ್ಣ, ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್, ತಮ್ಮ, ಯಂಗರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್, ತಂಗಿ, ಯಂಗರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್, ತಾತ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಗೆಳೆಯ, friend, male friend, ಗೆಳತಿ, female friend. See, we haven't just learned the sentences, we also learned the vocabulary. Okay, very very important. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಪೇಜಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 10 pages ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, 10 pagesಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಸಪ್ರೇಷನ್, ರೈಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರಿ ಆರ್ ಪದಗಳು ಬರೀರಿ and start writing it down. All the new words that you are going to write, you are going to learn in Kannada, ellanu you have to list it out. I'm sorry for the dog barking sound. Okay, fine. So idaadmele what else we can write it down? We have learned so many words in Kannada. I'm going to erase this one. Okay, so if whatever you want to write, you can write, or if you want to write all the hesaru, ella names, you can write all the names as well. Okay na? So anything is fine. We'll go to the next one. Next one, you are writing your school name. What is school in Kannada? Nanna ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು. My school name is. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು. This is like an introduction, makla. You are going to introduce about yourself in Kannada. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು, my name is. ಮೈ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು, ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ನೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ವೇಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಊರು. ಸೊ ಊರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. So you would say it can be anything. Nannuru Kerala, Nannuru Tamil Nadu, Nannuru Delhi, Nannuru Mumbai, Nannuru whatever it is. Okay na? Fine. Nanna uru blank. And there are multiple ways. We are choosing a very simple one, and this is not exactly the grammatically correct illa idu, but still we can manage. Okay, so our intention is to understand the sentence now. So as of now we are not directly jumping into the complete deep grammar build-up. Okay, so understood? Clear? Very good. We'll go for the next one. So next one I say nanage, I leave blank here. I'll write ishta. Sha tage tavatu. What is ishta? E shage tavatu. Ishta. Ishta is like. For example, I like ice cream. ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ಮಾರ್ವೆಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಗೇಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. ನನಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, I don't like. So ishta is like. What is I don't like? Nanage. This is very very important, makla. You are talking about yourself. Nanage. Remember, you can't say nanna ice cream ishta. Alla. Nanu ice cream ishta. No. Never use those words. You will be always using nanage. Okay na? Nanage dash ishta. Write down as it is. Shage sha tavatu. Ishta illa. ಈ ಲಾಗೆ ಲಾವತ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್. ನನಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ನೂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ದೋಸೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. If you cannot write it in Kannada, parvagilla, no problem, write it down in English itself. Okay na? So we are trying to understand the sentence structure slowly. Okay, so nanage ishta illa. So till here you are comfortable. We'll be adding two more words now. Two more sentences. Nanage dash beku. Beku means want. I want ಇಡ್ಲಿ, ನನಗೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ನನಗೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಪೆನ್, ನನಗೆ ಪೆನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಬುಕ್, ನನಗೆ ಬುಕ್ ಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್, ನನಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಿಲ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. Okay, now opposite of ಬೇಕು ಏನು, I don't want ಅಲ್ವಾ. What is don't want? Yes, very good. ಬೇಡ, 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 ಬೇಡ. So this is the reason why I told you you have to go through the kagunita. Kagunita illde we cannot come to the sentences. Okay na? Fine. If you are still struggling, check out the book level 1 and level 2 book. Parents, please help them to check the book level 1 and level 2. I'll leave the link here, or you can check in the description. Check the sample copy. If you find that will be useful for you, please purchase that one. That is a practice book where you can practice the kagunita. Fine? Okay. So here again blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಶೂಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಪೆನ್ ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಬುಕ್ ಬೇಡ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. So you can fill that one. So how many sentences we have done? We have done 8 sentences. How many vocabulary that we have learned? How many words we have learned? Let me know in the comment section. You have to count. Nanna is also one word. Nanna, hesaru, appa, amma, akka, anna, tangi, ajji, tata, shale, uru, ishta, ishta illa, beku, veda. See how so many words we have learned, alva? Make a note of all those words in your vocabulary section. Okay na? So this was your lesson lesson 9. We have learned around 8 sentences. Practice maadi, and tomorrow we'll improve the sentences. We'll go one step ahead. We'll make it little lengthier sentences, or we will add little bit more vatakshara. Okay na? So makla, if you have any doubt ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay na? So and most importantly, share this video with your friend. And this week the video will go till Saturday, because we haven't done the videos on Monday, lesson on Monday and Tuesday alla. The lessons will be there on Friday and Saturday as well. So practice from Wednesday to Saturday. Okay na? So I'll see you tomorrow at the same time, 11 o'clock. Namaskara.